Russia is sending a warning after Finland's leaders said their country should apply for NATO membership without delay. That bold move prompted by President Putin's invasion of Ukraine. Now remember, NATO's expansion was cited as a reason behind going to war in Ukraine in the first place. Now, the Kremlin says Finland's decision is definitely a threat to Russia and would not bring stability to Europe or the world. Finnish President Sauli Niinistö has clarified that the goal is to improve the nation's security and not antagonize other countries. Well, let's get more from Rosie Burchard. She joins us live from Brussels. Rosie, Finland pushing ahead with that bid for NATO membership despite Russia, as we said, citing NATO's expansion as the very reason for invading Ukraine. Now, this ups the stakes in terms of regional security, doesn't it?
Absolutely. This means no less than a seismic shift in the security landscape here in Europe. Now, NATO, the defensive alliance, was born in the aftermath of World War II. It had a mission to provide collective security for North America and Western Europe. And in all that time since, those decades in between, Finland has kept its distance. It's been happy to be a partner of NATO, but not a member. It's kept up business-like cooperation with Moscow. But all of that changed when Russia invaded Ukraine. The thinking in Finland was, if Russia is ready to do that to one neighbour, then who might be next? And Finland and Russia share a long border, which is more than 1,300 kilometres long. Now, what this means in terms of security, if Finland does indeed apply, which is very much the expectation, and is accepted, also the expectation, then it will become party to Article 5. That is the collective defence pledge that NATO allies take, which says an attack on one is an attack on all. That means it can count on support from big military powers like the United States. But the Finns say the benefits go in both ways. Finland has a large military. It has hundreds of thousands of reservists ready to fight or defend if needed as part of the NATO defensive alliance. So this is likely to be a speedy accession, and Sweden is likely to follow suit. We expect a joint application from those two countries within the coming days.
We have to leave it there. Thank you, Rosie Burchard in Brussels.